We have a special guest with us here today to teach us some basics about electrical circuits. We have Mr. Rick Walker, who is an electrical engineer from NASA Langley Research Center.
How many people think electricity is mysterious? Why do you think electricity is so mysterious?
It's probably because we can't see it.
That's a pretty common answer, Jacob. Most people have a hard time understanding things they can't see. So to help us see how electricity works, we're going to use something that we all know about. Let's go outside and learn about the basic components of a circuit using a fire truck and water. Today we're with firefighters from the Fox Hill Company No. 5 in Hampton, Virginia. Hey guys.
Hi, Rick.
Let's say these guys were on the scene of a fire. What are some things that they would need to be able to put the fire out?
Water. And a fire truck.
That's right, we'll need a fire truck filled with water. What else?
What about a fire hose?
All right, now how do the firefighters get the water to the fire?
They hook up the hose to the fire truck.
Right, we definitely have to have the hose hooked up to the truck. So, what we have here are the basic components of a circuit. They have a power source, they have conductors or wires, and a load.
What do you mean by a load?
In a circuit, a load is a device that converts electrical energy into some other form of energy. For example, in an electrical circuit, we use a light bulb to convert electricity into light. The power source is what supplies our circuit with the energy to do work. For example, a battery creates electrical pressure called voltage that will push electrons through the circuit. On the fire truck, a pump creates water pressure. The pressure will push the water out if there's a path for the water to flow. The water travels to the load, which is our water cannon. Okay guys, whenever you're ready.
All right.
Now, let's go inside and compare this to an electrical circuit. Who remembers what components we need to make up a simple circuit? PJ?
A power source, conductors, or the wires, and a load.
That's right. What we're going to do is use this battery as our power source, the wires as our conductors, and this lamp will be our load. If we connect them in the right order, the circuit will be closed and the light bulb will light. Basically what we have here is the battery creating an electrical potential called voltage, which is pushing the electrons through the wires, up to the light bulb, and back around to the other side of the battery. When this circuit's closed, the light bulb lights. It's important to remember here that the battery is not creating electricity, but merely pushing electrons around the circuit. So what would you call it if you disconnected one of the wires?
If it's called a closed circuit when the lamp is lit, then would it be called an open circuit when the lamp doesn't light?
That's right. For example, the lights in our room right now, we have a closed circuit. But if I was to go over to the wall and flip the switch, what would we have?
You created an open circuit!
Exactly. At home, you use devices like switches and circuit breakers and fuses to make open circuits.